This video tutorial will show you how to assign lessons to Google Classroom. So I will click on an assignment, any type of lesson, activity, game, flashcard, whatever you're interested in assigning. And I can either, after I've entered students into my caseload, I can assign it to the students on my caseload, or I can share it directly to Google Classroom. So I'm going to click on the Google Classroom button, choose my class, and then I'm going to choose the assignment, which create assignment, and click go. I will give it a name. And I can choose to assign it to all students or just certain students in that class. Click assign. And it's done. It's assigned to your class. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like by viewing it on the student side. So I'm going to click view. And here in my class, I will see the different assignments. And as you can see, I've been testing this. So I'm going to click on Coping Skills Bingo Game. Up here in the instructions, I'll click Instructions and find the link. When I click the link, this opens up as a compressed file. So as soon as I open it up, I will extract the files. So a compressed file just means that I am compressing it to take up less storage space. So I'm going to click on this and extract it. I also have a video tutorial that you can share with your students on extracting files. You can send that link to them. When I click on the bingo game, it will open up, and then the students can interact with it. This page tells the directions, and there's a delay on the button down here so that the students have time to read the directions. And they crank the spinner, and their first bingo ball rolls out. For each bingo ball that rolls out, a coping skill, then the next slide explains what the coping skill means. So then they can take their bingo dabber and dab on the bingo card. So this concludes the video tutorial on how to add or how to share to your Google Classroom.